Welcome back to my channel, Eventful Living with Kay. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this cute gender reveal or baby shower centerpiece. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be using some 12-inch balloons, 10-inch balloons, and some 5-inch balloons, and I have my balloon stick and I have my balloon pumps. For the base, I'm going to be inflating 4 10-inch balloons and I'm going to be inflating 4 5-inch balloons. I'm going to tie them in dupes and then I'm going to put them in a quad. So remember not to overinflate your balloons, guys. You want them to be flexible and easy to work with. Also remember to round the balloons. To do that, after inflating, you want to let a little of the air out while squeezing on the bottom, and that will give them the round shape. To make the quad, I'm just going to connect the balloons at the neck, the dupes, and then I'm going to twist. So that's how you make a quad, and then I'm going to just add them to the base of the balloon stick. So the size for the balloons in the first tier are the 10-inch balloons, and then I'm going to be inflating 4 of the 5-inch balloons to make the next tier. Now I'm just measuring and eyeballing to make sure they're approximately the same size. You can go ahead and use a balloon sizer if you have one. So for the top, I'm going to be inflating 8 of the 12-inch balloons and I'm going to make them into a cluster, and I'm going to add them to the top of the balloon stick, and that's going to give a hot air balloon look. I'm going to be using the glue dots to add my filler balloons to my cluster. You can always use a 260 balloon or rubber bands to attach your filler balloons, but for this video I'm using the glue dots. Now you could go ahead and leave your centerpiece like this, or you can go ahead and add a plushie to your centerpiece. So this is the final look, guys. I really love it. I love the colors. Let me know what you think, and if you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and also please go ahead and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.